Am I the only one that didn't know you can make $900 a day from home? Well, here's the secret. Are you tired of your daily commute and working long hours just to make ends meet? Imagine rolling out of bed, grabbing your coffee, and working just 2 hours a day to make between $100 and $900. Sounds unreal, right? Join a community of over 33,000 successful digital marketers who have transformed their lives with this simple copy and paste blueprint. No tech skills needed, no recruiting friends and family, and no waiting weeks to get paid. It's time to say goodbye to your old 9-to-5 grind and hello to a life of freedom and flexibility. More time for your family, more time for your hobbies, and a lot more cash in your pocket. Don't just take my word for it. You owe it to yourself to at least check it out. Type yes in the comments or visit www.900aday.net to get started today. Remember, the only thing standing between you and your dream lifestyle is taking that first step. So, are you ready to change your life this year? The choice is yours.